Hello everyone, my name is Guddu Kumar and I am presenting on behalf of Campus Art Solutions Private Limited. The name of our solution is Corona 360. We are an IT Kanpur startup. The motivation comes from the fact that we lack genuine information about the people who might be infected at this point in time, and people are lacking essential hyperlocal services and information. The goal is to develop a real-time health monitoring and contact tracing system by and also providing the local essential services. The solution is divided into three modules. In the first module, we track the people who might have come in contact with a positive person, and then we track the health for the all the flagged individuals, and we provide essential services and information to the people. The implementation of contact tracing involves the GPS location and telecom data, and we generate a contagion graph which lists down all the people who might have come in contact with the patient directly or indirectly, and the age and the thickness denotes the distance between the two person and the number of seconds they spend together. We did a pilot in IT Kanpur by asking people to voluntarily share their Google location data, and then we generated a contagion graph which looks something like this. And you can see we have been able to find all the contacts that have been made in the last 1 month. For the health monitoring part, we generate a score between 0 to 100 and divide it into safe, moderate, risky, and critical. We take the tracking history, health history of a person, and then we put it into our machine learning and data analytics toolbox, and we generate this score. We did a simulation on more than 50,000 test cases, and we were able to generate a accuracy of nearly 85%. These were our assumptions to know whether a person is positive or not. Hyperlocal essential services is a must for in anytime, and we have developed two mobile applications, one for the consumers where you can see all the local shops and services in your area, their timings, their offerings, and the local businesses can run their online shop applications, online shop. And we also have a demo of our consumer side application. You can see all the shops and services in your area, their offerings. You can buy from them, standard e-commerce application for your locality. Then we have our business side application where anyone can register and run their online shop. You can sell anything that you offer, and you can receive orders. You can promote your business and your offerings. You can see sales analytics and on your dashboard. In the next few days, we will be developing a heat map for your area and your city, and also providing real-time updates relevant to you. And this is a admin side application where you can track all the health related activity of people living in your area. The 360 model 360 name comes from the fact that we have been trying to develop a 3D approach to solve this corona crisis. The impact would be huge. uh, we will be able to flag all the potentially infected people and save their life before it's too late. This is the comparative analysis with other existing solutions in India and worldwide. We would be requiring the tracking data from the telecom providers, GPS providers, and testing done in India to improve the accuracy of health monitoring system. And we have been collaborating with IT Kanpur faculty, incubation center, and other entities. So our go-to-market strategy would be to talk to the local administration, onboard businesses, and prioritize based on the positive cases. Our business model includes transaction, subscription, and advertisement. We charge from the business and the administration. In the first phase, we will be launching in the few area of Kanpur, in the hot zone and other area, and these are the few challenges that we might face. And in the first phase, we would be requiring almost nearly 25 lakh to run our solution. And the impact would be huge on the local SMEs, and by providing them sales and boost employment for their workers and other people. This is our team. These are our mentors. And then we believe that a data analytics based platform will be vital in fighting this pandemic and be ahead in this fight. Thank you.